Did you know that one Roblox night saved an entire server from being deleted forever? Sir Blockblade was the most legendary knight on Medieval Realms, his favorite roleplay server. But one day, he got terrible news. Evil hackers had broken into the admin panel and planned to delete everything in just 24 hours. Blockblade knew he couldn't do this alone. He gathered his friends and even made peace with his biggest enemies. Together, they searched for secret admin commands and hidden Easter eggs in the game's code. The team discovered something shocking. The main hacker was actually Red Dragon, a player who got banned years ago and wanted revenge. In the final battle deep in the server's most dangerous dungeon, Blockblade had to make the hardest choice ever. He sacrificed his rare diamond armor set to protect everyone. Just when all hope seemed lost, the server's original creator appeared and helped them win. The server was saved and became a special place celebrating digital friendship. Sometimes the greatest adventures happen when enemies become allies.